coronavirus or COVID-19, as they call it, has become a thorn in our flesh. It is called a sickness for the rich. Yes, a very respectful sickness. Sickness that came to our country and went to greet all the leaders first. It has brought a national lockdown. Men who are supposed to be sent out for war are now sitting at home doing nothing. Yes, some of these men prefer to die of this virus than sit at home with their wives. The younger generations who are supposed to utilize this time and now busy sending secret anonymous messages on WhatsApp. What a waste generation. All I can say is, he who swallows a full coconut should have enough confidence in his anus.